some say BMW doesn't make pretty cars anymore. We tend to agree with them, as besides the 8er family, including the range-topping M8 models, most of their modern-day machines tend to cross into the OTT realm. We won't even mention the oversized kidney grills of some models, as they don't look that bad anymore as they did when they first came out, and who knows, maybe the Munich brand's current lineup will look better in the future. After all, we used to say that the E6X series from the Chris Bangle era was plain ugly, but it has aged like fine wine. In our vision, my vision, the E60 is the second best looking 5er ever made, right after the F10, that Alpina model is gorgeous, and the E39 has fallen into third place. BMW has made some great vehicles since it was founded over 100 years ago. But was the Z3 one of them? The answer varies from one individual to another, as while some say it's a good-looking roadster, others would likely have its successor, the E8X Z4. Or maybe the E89 Z4 or the G29, with the latter being the latest. It shares many components with the Toyota GR Supra, and while its Japanese cousin is a coupe, the, now, 5-year-old Z4 is offered strictly with a folding roof. Now, speaking of the Z3, it was recently used as inspiration to come up with a concept. Mind you, it's not a real one, as you already know from the title, as it calls the virtual realm home. Signed by Georgi Tederads and shared on Behance right before the winter holidays, it is one sexy proposal. In fact, it looks better than any low-slung model BMW currently makes, save for the M8, and we think it would sell like hotcakes if given the green light for production. Sure, it would have to be a proper M car, with pure rear-wheel drive and a punchy straight-six assisted by 2 turbochargers under the hood. An X-Drive all-wheel drive system would probably make it more popular, and so would a stick shift offered next to the DCT. The digital model has seductive lines from bumper to bumper. It also features broad shoulders, wide front wheel arches, LED lighting units, a fresh interpretation of the kidney grille, and stacked tailpipes. It is a 2-door coupe riding on big wheels that has hidden door handles and tiny side mirrors for a more futuristic flair, and it could be just what the doctor ordered for those who feel the M2 is a bit too small and the 2-door M4 rather large. But could it convince you to buy it if it looked similar to these renderings?